What's up, gang? Alright, so was gonna make a video on these KC lights that I installed, you know, those guys. Really not much to them, I just installed them. Don't look at my wiring, it's kind of ugly right now. I need to fix it, and I got a way to fix it, and that's gonna be another later video I'll show you guys. So, however, I got these installed, and they had halogens in it before, and they were good, which I'll show you. Alright, so new KC's installed. If I can find where I put my switch, there it is. So those are the KC lights. Yes, it's raining, so perfect condition. Headlights. That's with like some Amazon LED headlights. And then with the ditch lights, some cheap Amazon ditch lights. Dang it. There we go. Can't really tell the KCs are on. I don't know. It kind of gives a little bit of a spot. Alright. So that's no headlights, ditch lights, and fogs, I guess. And yeah, just the KCs. They're not bad, but I got something coming for them. Cool. Well, I got them installed, and halogens were alright. And I got a wild hair. I looked up, the bulb size, which is an H3 on them. They're just KC Apollo 6. I found some yellowish amber bulbs on Amazon. I buy a lot of stuff on Amazon, if you haven't noticed. I took a $10 gamble, and it took 2 weeks for them to ship from China. Don't know if I'm really excited about them, but I'll show you what they look like. They're already in their housing, so I kind of really can't show you what the actual bulb looks like. Maybe I'll share a link, but yeah, I don't know. Here, let's take a look. All right, you can kind of see the bulb in there. See if I can get that camera right. Yeah, so they're in there. They look cool. But I'll show you the brightness of them. They're not super bright. I know a lot of people have said that yellow isn't real bright, which I understand that. You don't put out a lot, but and they're probably going to be better in inclement weather, snow, rain, dust, blah blah blah. And so I guess we'll wait to see how that works. So I really dig the aesthetics of them. I mean, they look cool. That yellow, it looks pretty bright, right? I don't know, some kids in the neighborhood shooting off fireworks. That's what happens around here. But yeah, they look pretty sweet. It's not real dark, but I mean, they shine off the Ford pretty good. We'll get another look when it gets darker. Alright, basically same test as before with the halogens. Alright, there's the yellow LED. I mean, it's not bad. It kind of does throw it out a bit. Not quite of a spot as the halogens. So like I said, maybe in snow when it's dark and, if it's snowing or raining, dusty, these might work. They seem a little dim to me, but maybe it's just me. But again, a lot of people say that theirs aren't very bright either. So along with that, we'll the white completely washes it away, which, that's what happens. And then, there's the ditch lights. Actually not too bad looking tonight. This is without rain. It's a clear night, so But yeah, they're not too bad. Like I said, maybe it's some weather and dust or whatever. They'll be cool. But I mean, I do like the look of them, so I don't know. We'll see how they go. I'm gonna give them a try. And if I don't like them, then I'll change them. That's the part of doing what we do, right? If it's not good enough, make it better. Well, there you go. I don't know how good this is going to turn out, but we'll do it anyway. But if you guys know of any better H3 bulbs for me to try, send me a link. I would like to try to stay with a yellow amber color, you know. If not, then that's fine. Anything that works. I would like to try to stay LED as well because, well, new technology and stuff. I think halogen's kind of the way of the past, and I like upgrading things. So, till next time, we'll figure it out. We'll see you later. Peace.